When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service we have given them and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review.
Mike and Ramon from Quality Yard and Home have done an excellent job mowing and trimming and blowing the clippings away our lawn. Further, Quality Yard and Home did a fantastic job with mulching and flowerbed maintenance. I highly recommend this company for all yard and landscaping needs.
So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we are your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the Internet today. We look forward to talking to you.